Yes, my name is Chef Kabui. I want to welcome you to the Food Republic. Please subscribe to our channel and keep up with the latest Afro-futuristic conscious cuisine recipes that we'll be sharing with you. And today we are going to be starting with the breakfast recipe. It's a very sumptuous recipe and very easy to make. I'll start with the ingredients. First and foremost, everything in here is organic. My food is transparent. It's actually food you can believe in. It's called, my system of cooking is called defensive cooking, so that you can take care of your health as well as your taste buds. Today, we are going to make a sweet potato made with a sauce of organic apples, organic mangoes, tamarind, which is this spice right here, and then we're going to use cardamom, which is ground. We're going to use some black pepper, which we are going to grind ourselves, and then we are going to sweeten it with manuka honey. So, without further ado, what we will do here is set the ingredients on this side. We'll turn the burner to high to start with. We have a cup of water. I always start up with heating the pan, so I'll give it about a minute to heat up, and then I'll add the ingredients. In the meantime, I'll proceed to cut the potatoes in discs. That's one of the things that you can do, and you're free to use any kind of design that you want. So I'll take the sauce, cut them into discs. You can either cut them thin, you can cut them a bit thick, but thin is always better because it allows the sweet potatoes to get warmer quicker, because these are already oven baked, and we'll go through the process of baking the sweet potatoes towards the end, and you just want to cut them into this, remove and you can use this to make the sauce. To make the stock. I can tell the burner is getting a little hot. Add the water. We can start heating the pan, and while that's heating up, you can cut the other part, sweet potato, to discs, another disc. You're also welcome to peel it before you cut it, but I just like to cut it before I peel it. That's just my preference. And then I can remove the skin, send them to the side, remove the skin, and I had washed it first before I baked it. So I don't have a problem putting this husk and the skin together with the potato, sweet potato. Okay. The water is boiling, so that takes about no more than 3 minutes. And then we can remove this now for a minute, now that you've seen what we got. Pull that. And then put the tamarind first, because that's what's going to take the most to prepare. Everything else is already prepared, but the tamarind, you want to use that first in order to flavor the water. Okay. And you just have to turn it up and down. Turn the heat down after maybe 4 or 5 minutes, That will cut the evaporation of water a bit. When you have the water boiling too fast, you'll find that the water evaporates rather quickly. So spin that for about 30 seconds. Right. And while that's cooking, you add the apples. And add the mangoes. Then you just stir briskly. You can turn the heat up for a minute. You can tell after we put the apples, it cools down the pot, the pan rather quickly. And in just another 20 seconds to 30 seconds, you can see the water is coming back to a boil again. Okay. From there, we put the tamarind, the cardamom, stir some more. Okay. From there, I'm going to get my pepper ready. You put the amount of pepper that you want, so there's no limit or the right amount of pepper that I suggest that you flavor it to your liking. Okay. Some people can stand more pepper, others can't stand nearly as much pepper. Okay. So we have the first cup of water gets all the ingredients. The second cup of water will finalize the cooking. Okay. Okay. Turn the heat up. We have the heat up. From time to time, spread the tamarind around. And the goal of the tamarind is to get as much of the brown stuff out. I don't know whether you can see it. Okay? Until the brown stuff, the dark brown, is what we're looking for. So whenever it becomes light towards the edges, then that means you've gotten most of what you need to get out. Okay? Alright, and you can see this one. You can see this one is still has quite a bit of meat in it. So we can put it back in there and just turn it some more. Alright. There you go. And you can also put an extra tamarind if you want to get a little bit more flavorful. Right? But that's something that you work over time. Try with one. If you think that maybe having two of them will be better, then proceed to do so. Now, you're getting toward the final spot or the final stage. Get a spoon. You have all the sweet potatoes ready. Maybe one more minute of cooking, and I can actually taste the apple to see whether it's done. And it is done. So proceed to put the sweet potatoes on top.